At this point, we have all the clues needed to read, understand, and play a musical piece. So, let's try to read now. This is Romance d'amour, a three-quarter piece with a very simple rhythm. As you see, all the notes are quarter notes. So, we play one note on every beat. First, try to read the notes as always. You will see G sharp. Remember that you must go up by one semitone. Under some notes, there are some numbers. This is the finger that plays the note. We always place our hand over the keyboard with our fingers over every key. Whenever we have a change for the positioning of our hand, you see a new number. Try the tune sometimes, and when you are ready, start the video and play with me. You will listen to 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ready? As always, we go a bit more complicated. This is all lang syne. Reading the notes is our first goal. Rhythm is more complicated than the previous piece. We have here the dotted quarter note and eighth notes also. Dotted quarters last for 1.5 beats. The first notes of the piece are C, G, B, C. We have G 1 beat, C 1.5, B half a beat, C 1 beat. G, C, and B, C. One more time. C, G, and B, C. We make the half beat with the addition of the word and. We also have the numbers under the note for the fingering. It is important to have in mind that you must think rhythmically. You must always have the beat in mind. When you are ready, start the video again and play with me. Have in mind that you will listen to 4 beats and then 3 more because we have a dotted half pause at the beginning of the piece, and then start with the first note. Ready? O sole mio. Here we have a simple piece for both hands. See that the left hand has 1 note on the first beat and 2 notes at the next 3 beats. We have a curved line that connects 2 same notes. This is the slur. The second note is not played again, but we add its value to the first one. We also have a flat note, then a slur to the next bar, so it makes the next note A flat also. So, all the necessary steps to read and play the piece. Remember, thinking in music is rhythmic. Stop the video, read, practice, and when you're ready, press play. You will listen to 4 beats and 1 more for the first pause. Ready? Adagio by Albinioni, another two-hands piece. Have in mind that in this course we speak about theory in practice. So, the important thing is to use the theory we learn and make it practice. Many new things here. Tempo sign in the start, adagio. That means slowly. Under the note, symbols for dynamics. How quiet, loud, or getting louder or quieter. And one important new sign, the curved line that connects many notes this time. This is the legato. Legato shows us the music phrases inside the piece. It is exactly the same thing as a phrase in every language. When a phrase we speak ends, we breathe. In music, it's the same. The notes inside legato are connected without any gap. When it ends, we breathe and continue to the next phrase. We breathe, not making a pause. Another new element is the combination of the eighth notes and triple eighths. In these bars, we have one note first, two notes, and then three notes in a beat. This is for the 3 beats of a bar. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and So, pause the video, read and practice. In music, we think of always following a beat. When you're ready, press play again to play with me. You will hear 3 beats. Ready? You'll see and listen to a small piece. I want you to figure out which is its time signature. 3 quarters, 4 quarters, or 5 quarters. Here is the piece. Did you figure it out? The piece is the following. It's a 3/4 piece. If you follow this song, you'll see that you can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 continuously on it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do the same exercise, a bit more complicated as usual. The next small piece is a 3/8, 5/8, or 7/8 piece. Let's hear it. The piece is the following. It's a 5/8 piece. Listen to it once more and try to count the time with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will hear a small piece with a 4/4 time signature. I want you to count how many bars you heard. Which of the 3 versions I'll show you is the right one? Let's hear the piece. Here are the three versions. Of course, if you count the bars right, then it would be extremely easy to answer the other question right. The right answer now is that we heard 5 bars, and the correct version of the notes is this. I will play for you 3 small pieces that have small differences between them. You will also see the piece on your screen written in the staff. Which of the 3 versions I play is the one that you see on your screen? Let's hear the first version. Let's now hear the second version. And now the third version. Which of the 3 versions I played is the one that you see on your screen? The right answer is that the second version I played is the right one. Let's hear it once more.